Don't you know that you're beautiful just the way you are, just the way you can.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel and thank you all so very much for coming back for another real life motivational cleaning video. So I recorded this video before I had my surgery and I'm just now getting around to editing it. I did lose some of the footage, so you won't see like the end results or anything, but you'll just see me cleaning it out. But I decided to post it anyway, and since I was on bed rest for 8 weeks, my pantry is back to looking a hot mess, so I will do another pantry clean out video. But for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Evita and I love posting cleaning, decluttering, and organizing videos. I also post a wide range of other types of videos. Thank you all so very much for watching today. If you find yourself enjoying this video, then hit that subscribe button right along with that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads.
Getting closer to just being nothing else.
Right here, I'm just using my label maker to create labels for the containers that do not have labels on them.
Even though it's kind of toxic, babe, you know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
Our pantry isn't even all that big, but I swear we always have a crap load of stuff in it.
Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
I'm spraying the walls and also the shelves with a bleach spray, and the walls look like they're dirty, but they're actually not. It's just from all of the packages rubbing up against the wall, and they're like scuff marks on the wall. But the shelves were kind of dirty from everything rubbing up against the shelves also. Right now I'm just sorting and organizing everything. I will be taking food to a food pantry if I feel like we're not going to eat it. If it's like been in the pantry for a long time and it's not expired, I'm just going to go ahead and take it to a food pantry. If it is expired, I'm just going to go ahead and toss it. When I organize my containers, I usually put all of my baking stuff on the left, and on the right side, I usually just put pastas and rice and stuff like that.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue. Leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language.
I'm taking one pack of fruit snacks out at a time because some were open. I was trying to figure out which one was open instead of just dumping them all out. But I want to thank you all so very much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Bye.
You mean